Ninth class student, exercise 1.5. Question number 1. One is, we tell the rational, irrational. First part, 2 minus under root 5. Second part is 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 3. Third part is 2 upon 7 under root 7 is side. Fourth part is 1 upon under root 2. Fifth part is 2 pi. First part will be irrational, because 2 rational and under root 5 is irrational. Difference of rational and irrational will be irrational. After remove the bracket, 23 minus under root 23 is same. 1 is plus and 1 is minus. 3 is rational. Under root 7 divided by under root 7 is equal to 2 upon 7 is rational. Under root 1 upon under root 3 is irrational. Irrational number two pi is irrational number. Product of 2 is rational, pi is irrational. Product of rational and irrational is irrational. Question number first is complete. Question second. Second is question simplify. Simplify is first part is bracket 3 plus under root 3 in first bracket. Second bracket is 2 plus under root 2. Write the as product of under root 2 3 plus under root 3. 3 plus under root 3. Direct method, multiply by 3 to the 6 plus 2 under root 3 plus 3 under root 2 plus under root 6 is a simplify all term of the is unlike. Second part is 3 plus under root 3 and second bracket is 3 minus under root 3. Both bracket make a formula a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It is identity. A here a is 3 and b is equal to under root 3. After square 3 square is 9. Under root 3 square is 3. After minus is 6. Second part is complete. Fourth part is it is same. Fourth part is under root 5 minus under root 2 and under root 5 plus under root 2. These make the formula a plus a minus b and a plus b. A square minus b square. As second part, a here under root 5, b here under root 2. After square, under root 5 square is 5, under root 2 square is 2. After minus is 3. Fourth part is complete. Fifth part is under root 5 plus under root 2 whole square. Under root 5 make a plus b whole square is identity equal under root 5 square plus under root 2 square plus 2 into under root 2 into under root 5. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab is that formula. After square 5 plus 2 plus 2 under root 10. 5 to the 10. After plus 5 or 2 7 plus under 2 under root 10. Simplify the second question. Next is fourth question. Fourth question is will be draw the figure. Figure will be under root 9.3. Draw a line on number line. At first, write the product form. 3.1 into 1. Sum is 9.3 plus 1 is equal to 10.3. Construction. will at but draw a line sum of product form is 10.5 units. AB draw is 10.3. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 10.3 units. Take the point C, AC 9.3, BC's rest is 1 semi. AB has a diameter draw a semicircle draw perpendicular at point C, that is perpendicular who intersect C to CE, which intersect on semicircle at point A. C will be our 9.3 units. Draw the number line here is O, -1 and +1, 3, 4. Draw the number line C as a center, draw an arc with radius is CE. C equal B CF, which intersect number line at point F. CF is equal to under root 7 under root 9.3 under root units. Question number 4 is complete. Question number 5 is rationalization of denominator. Question number 5. First part is 1 upon under root 7. Under root 7 multiply by numerator and denominator. After multiply under root 7 into 1 upon under 7 into 7 under root 7 upon 7 is answer. Question first part is complete. Second part is 1 upon under root 7 minus under root 6. One upon under root 7 minus under root 6 multiply by opposite sign of denominator. Denominator sign is minus, multiply will be plus. Under root 6 under root 7 plus under root 6. After multiply under root 7 plus under root 6, denominator make a formula a plus b and a minus b. Under root 7 square minus under root 6 square. After multiply the numerator, it is same. Denominator is 7. After square under root 7 minus under root 6 is clear 6. After minus under root 7 plus under root 6 upon after minus is 1. Question number third part is this time will be sign of plus. 1 upon under root 5 plus under root 2. Under root 5 plus under root 2. Same question is equal is 1 upon under root 5 plus under root 2 multiply by numerator and denominator. Sign is plus, multiply will be minus. Under root 2 under root 5 minus under root 2. After multiply 1 into under root 5 minus under root 2 upon denominator make a formula a plus b a minus b under root 5 square minus under root 2 square. After multiply under root 5 minus under root 2 is 5 clear by square and 2 clear by square. After minus the denominator under root 5 minus under root 2 upon 3. Fourth part 5 question is one upon under root 7 minus under root 2. Note 2 under root 2 is clear 2. This time is sign is minus multiply 1 upon under root 7 minus 2 multiply by sign is plus under root 7 plus 2 under root 7 plus 2. After multiply denominator make a identity a minus b and a plus b. One into under root 7 plus under root 2. After multiply under root 7 plus 2 upon 7 is clear with 7 minus 2 square is 4. After minus the denominator under root 7 plus under root 2 upon after minus 3. Question number 5 is fourth part is complete. Thank you.